Multi-digit multiplication using number chips. This is a digital lesson, and this one is Valentine's Day themed. It starts with explaining how to line up the numbers when you're multiplying by in the ones place, the same thing you would do if you're adding or subtracting. And then it explains to the students that you want that larger number with the most digits in the top row. And you're going to be multiplying, starting with the number in the ones place from right to left. And it shows students how to do that here. 3 times 3, 3 times 2, which is actually 3 times 20. That's why we get 60. And then 3 times 5. Students are going to start on slide 5. Here they're given 2 multiplication problems. So it starts out simple, and then it gets more difficult problems as they go. Now these chips are movable. Students can move them into place in order to solve the multiplication. And every slide has every number the students need. So if they get to the end of a slide and the numbers aren't working, they know they've made an error somewhere and they need to go back and check. So in that way, it's self-checking. The other way it's self-checking is there is a letter in a yellow heart. On the very last slide, there will be a Valentine's Day riddle that students will solve by matching their answer to that letter. So here they want to solve 321 times 2. They're going to go from right to left. 2 times 1, 2 times 2, and 2 times 3. So again, they start out simple and they get to more difficult as we go. So on that final slide, they'll be matching this answer to this letter. They've got a few more to solve. When they get down to slide 7, it shows them what to do when they have to carry a number. So here we have 4 times 7 is 28. We keep the 8. The 2 goes to the next column to the left, right above that 4. So then we multiply 4 times 4 is 16, and we add that 2. So then we get 18. The 8 stays here again. The 1 goes to the next column above the 6. And then we get a final answer of 2,588. So on the next slide, we've also got some movable numbers that they're going to carry. So 5 times 2 is 10. They click and hold on the edge. They're going to carry a 1, so they move the 1. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 1 is 16. Again, carry a 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And then 5 times 7 is 35. They're going to do a few more, another one just like this. And then they're going to be multiplying 3-digit by 2-digit. So there's actually 2 multiplications here. The top row, we're going to multiply 312 times 3, and then 312 times 20. And then we're going to add those 2 together. So on the next few slides, students are going to be doing this 3-digit by 2-digit, and then 4-digit by 2-digit, 4-digit by 3-digit, and then the final. So here on the very last slide, we have the Valentine's Day riddle, and they need to go back through the previous slides, find all of these answers, and then type in the letter that's in the yellow heart. If they've done it correctly, they will solve the riddle. So this is the Valentine's Day version of multi-digit multiplication using number chips.